Butterflies as climate indicators. Welsh study tracks endangered species. The endangered large heath butterfly is emerging as a crucial canary in the coal mine for assessing the health of peat bogs' vital ecosystems in the fight against climate change. A 2-year study led by Butterfly Conservation in Wales aims to confirm the butterfly's reliability as an indicator of peatland condition, potentially enabling broader monitoring efforts. Why peatlands matter. Peat bogs are exceptionally effective at storing carbon when saturated with water. However, rising temperatures cause them to dry out, releasing stored greenhouse gases back into the atmosphere. This makes peatland health directly linked to global climate stability. Protecting these ecosystems is therefore not just about biodiversity, but about mitigating climate change itself. The study, tracking butterfly populations, conservationist Georgina Paul is tracking large heath populations across hundreds of square kilometers of protected peatland in Wales, including Cors Cairn, the Berwyn Range, and fens, Wicksall, and Beddisfield mosses. The study, running until May 2027, will assess whether butterfly presence reliably reflects the condition of the peat bogs. If we can show that large heath is a reliable indicator of peat bog health, then we can be confident that our volunteers don't need to be technical experts to make a big impact. Georgina Paul, Butterfly Conservation. The project leverages citizen science, with the potential for volunteers to contribute invaluable data simply by counting butterflies. The study also incorporates drone technology to map habitats and identify plant species quickly. Challenges and opportunities. The large heath survival is intrinsically tied to the health of peat bogs, as its caterpillars feed exclusively on hairstail cottongrass, found only in these environments. The species has already declined sharply in England and Wales due to habitat loss, highlighting the urgency of conservation efforts. A major challenge is that much of the land remains privately owned, complicating restoration work. However, the study focuses on sites where restoration is already underway, with the goal of providing evidence to landowners for better peat bog management. Rewetting drained or degraded peatlands is critical to restoring their carbon storage function. This research underscores a broader trend. Increasingly, species-specific monitoring is being used to track environmental changes. The large heath's dependence on peat bogs makes it an ideal bioindicator, potentially streamlining environmental assessment and conservation planning. The findings will likely inform future peatland management strategies, ensuring that this critical ecosystem continues to play its part in the global effort against climate change.